Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we are going to make some cauliflower cutlets, and for that we need of course some cauliflower to be grated. We need eggs, cheese, 1 clove of garlic, and oregano and basil leaves. For the beginning, as you have already grated the cauliflower, you need to put this into the towel so that it will be totally squeezed from the water that it has inside. So let's put it into the towel and add to it a little bit of salt, and you'll need to put it into a rest from 15 to 20 minutes until it will be ready to be squeezed from the water that it has inside. And whenever done with this process, we can go to the next one by adding 2 eggs to the cauliflowers, the grated cheese, some oregano, and we are now adding some dried basil leaves, but basically you can add also the fresh ones or if you wish, so that depends on you. Let's add 1 teaspoon of red pepper, the 1 clove of the garlic, which is cut it down very small into very small pieces, and let's mix all of these ingredients together. If your cauliflower is more than ours than in the recipe, you can add 1 more egg so that all of the ingredients will be together and you will be able to make the cutlets. And whenever done with the mixing process, let's go on and make the cutlets. You'll need to reshape them a little bit, work on them so that it will take the shape like as you see in the video. And whenever done, make sure that both sides are ready, are cooked, and you'll be ready to taste it. We hope you like it. Good appetite!